Hey pilots, Skip here again. We're going to try out the P-51 Mustang with my co-pilot, Michaelina.
Yep.
And wish us luck this time.
Awesome.
Yeah, I hope so. Let's check our control surfaces. We checked our CG, right?
Yeah.
And what are you going to remind me of up there, remember? I'm hoping I don't have these set wrong, but we'll see.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh yeah, with the sound.
Awesome.
Oh, she needs some work. Big time work. Holy cow, man. This thing needs some trim bad.
Oh my God. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's kind of flippy. I need to work on this one too. So we're just going to bring this one right on down.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this one needs some work. I have to fly this one down. All right, now it's landing itself. Check this out.
Oh my God.
Oh, good up and down there, guys. It just, I've got some serious control issues. Way touchy, tail heavy. And too deep out here right now for this, to taxi. It works. Yay! Okay, totally cool, guys. Just a little bit of work and we're good to go. Thanks for watching. The Freewing P-51D Iron Ass with Merlin sound. How about it? On sale right now, guys. Motion RC for $229 or $219, $229 I think it is. Yeah, you can get it without the sound for $209. Check it out.